Hello, Reggie Hayes here with ExpertVillage. Okay, so we've talked about remote programming, and we know that manufacturers work with their own other components. For example, one manufacturer's DVD remote will work with a TV most of the time, especially these days with integrated home theater systems. But what happens when you have mixed brand remotes and all kinds of different things? Well, one option is to program preloaded codes into the remotes. You're going to need to check with your remote control documentation on these things, but it is very simple to go through. Some are easier to do than others. This remote right here takes a little time to get used to, and there once again when I say, please read the manual. You can't figure it out on your own. This is not something that's possible to figure out on your own. You have to know the codes. If you don't have the codes, look on the back of the remote right here and call the manufacturer and ask them for another list of codes. You could probably find them online. Now, another way of programming is to learn. You have a smart remote that can learn the commands from other remotes. Basically what you do, and once again you're going to have to check with your manufacturer to find out how to do this, but you go through a series of keys and you set the remote up so that it learns. In this case, we could learn a Sony remote how to operate this Pioneer stereo system. So what you do is you would point the remotes at each other, and then you press one button and it says, okay, show me what to do. So for example, you would press the number 1 and the number 1. Each key, volume up, corresponds with each other, and they aim at each other and learn each other's commands. So everything from this remote can be programmed to this remote. Same thing can be done with lighting, which we'll get into soon. You can also learn those things, but you can learn all kinds of different remotes into one single remote so that you can do this number much better.